Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on message requests on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out the solution on now how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go up here, you click here on app, and it's going to show for you window like this. And you just go up here, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say. Then you just go down here and you click here on privacy, then you come to next window here like you say and you click here on message delivery, and you come here to next window here and you click here on friends of friends on Facebook. Then you come to next window here like you say and you just come here to message requests, and like you say now, message requests on to friends of friends on Facebook. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.